Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we are going to draw this sum in copy ISO. Now if you see in this we have to use scale 1:2. So we'll mark origin. Length is 70 plus 30 plus 30. That is 130. Height is 30. This is 45. Then if you see this is 30. So 30 plus 45 plus 30. So that would be 105 and width is 90. So since scale is 1:2, we need to divide by 2 and we need to draw this box. So this is 90. Height is, first we will draw this part. This is 70. So I'm not going to say half distance, I'm going to say 70 only and I'm going to draw it. Otherwise you people will get confused. So first we will draw length, width, height box. Then we'll draw this box 70 by 30 and on the right hand side we'll draw this. This is 30 plus 15, right? And we'll draw this line. So our aim is to draw this box. You take midpoint and you take 27 on both the sides. See, whenever you're doing in half scale, that time make sure you divide all dimensions, divide by 2 and draw. But when you have to mention full only. You can't say half dimensions which are not there. So I can't say 7.5. I have to say 15 only. I have to say 30 only. Only the drawing part would be half. Got it? So first we have done this part. Now we are going to draw this inclined portion which is inclined at 60-60. So I'll mark 30 from both the sides. Then 15 up. And you draw a line. Then from center point also you draw a line. So I'll get this portion. Now we need to draw this, right? So that way we'll draw it outside. Of course it is in half scale, so we need to take 15 instead of 30. But the angle will remain same. Just see. So we mark 30. That is 15. And you draw 60 degree. Now in this, angle won't be half. Angle will be as it is. Remember that. That is very important. You go up by height 15. So when you're doing half scale, then it will be 7.5. And you draw a line. See the difference in both the dovetail slot. Take this distance x and you cut it from here. So whenever you have a such kind of slot, you need to draw it outside and then you have to draw it inside. See, this is x, value of x. This value is x, this is 60 degree. So scale 1:2. That means angle won't be half. Only the dimension would be half. Remember that. This is A and B. So this is A and B. Then you take x. So what we are doing, we are transferring inclined distance as linear distance. Join this way. We'll complete this part. Now this line is going inside. How much it is we don't know. So first we will just draw random. Then they've given 15 from here. That is 30. So that I will draw. And from there is a vertical line of 45. See this. And from there we have to draw radius 30. So this line is there. See this. So I'll extend this line, but I don't know where it stops. So what I need to do, I need to draw that surface. See, from this point we got. From here it is how much up? Radius 30. So diameter 60. And we'll mark midpoint also. And we'll draw this. See. And we'll draw it from here. So we got that surface. This surface. See this. Entire surface. Now there is slight problem in length. I feel so. Wait. We have a length 130, right? So when I'm doing it half, it would be 65. So I'm taking 65. So 65 is half scale, okay? Otherwise it is 130. See, from here you go up and you draw this surface. See this, you go up by 15 plus 30. This is radius 30. So diameter would be 60, right? When you're drawing rhombus. So you take 60 on both the sides from that point. See this. And you'll get a rhombus of 60. Because diameter is 60. And you mark midpoint. See, this is 60, longest diagonal. From any one obtuse angle, we'll draw opposite side midpoint, like this, as well as from here. See, from here you draw a radius. By using the 4 center method, we can draw this radius. This is 0.1. Then this is, let's say I'm taking as 0.2. So 2 m, and you can draw radius. See, I'll do the naming. 1, 2, 3. This is m. So from 1 you can draw 1 to m, you can draw radius. Then from 2 to m you draw another radius. See this, 1 to m. Then from 2 to m. Then from 3 to m. So this way you will get this part. After that you extend this down. So you got this front part. Now the same part is behind by 54. So you need to take point number 3 and 2 behind by 54. And we need to draw tangent. See this. So from point 3 I will take 54 and from point 2 I will take 54. and you draw tangent like this. Extend line from here as well as from here. You'll get the point, and from that point you can draw vertical line. So we'll get this part. You can draw this behind line also, which is 70. See, this way. Then you draw a line from here. Then this arc, how much it is behind? 20. So I will take 20 from here and 30. I have to always talk in terms of original dimension. So we have to draw half, but we have to always say original. So draw this much. Now we need to draw this radius, right? This radius. So from point 3 you go behind by 20 because it is 20, right? So from point 3 you go behind by 20. You take 3 to this radius, go behind by 20, and you draw arc. And from this point you can draw tangent. After drawing the tangent, they have given 14. So I will mark 14. And now you don't have to draw again that radius. What you can do, you can draw parallel line. So we are done with this rib portion. Now we need to draw diameter 13. So first again we need to mark center point and we need to draw horizontal line. So in this case we can't draw horizontal line. So all those lines will be inclined at 30 degree. So you draw vertical line passing through the midpoint and parallel line at 30. So you'll get the center point. From that point now we need to mark 15, 15, 15, 15 on all 4 sides. See this. Then you draw longest diagonal, and from this midpoint you can draw this line. From here you can draw this line. Let's say this is point 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is 4 center method. So again do the same thing. Take 1 to M, draw arc, then take 2 to M, draw arc, then you take 3 to M and 4 to M, and you complete the circle. So remember, whenever you are doing half scale, you have to take all dimensions, divide by 2, but we don't have to do the same with angle. Angle will remain same. Now see, this circle we won't be able to see behind, so there is no need to draw polo circle. We can give dimensions. We can write origin. We have to write 30, 30. So remember one thing, in half scale, when you are mentioning, you have to mention original dimension. So it is 90. So I have to write 90. But while drawing purpose, we need to take 45 if it is a half scale sum. You can draw this sum in full scale also. But in this question I have taken as half scale. So I have marked 130, 90 and 105. Then you can mark axis. You can write origin. You have to draw 30 degree. Thank you.